Did you know India is investing over $1.5 trillion in innovative infrastructure projects? How has a country celebrated for its rich culture become a frontrunner in innovative development? India is stepping up, transforming its urban and rural areas with some of the largest megaprojects in the world. From high-speed railways that slash travel times to smart cities that merge sustainability with forefront technology, these projects showcase India's bold moves toward becoming a global powerhouse in infrastructure. Let's dive into the mega projects in India that are not just reshaping its physical environment, but also defining its future. 1. Bullet train. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to travel faster than a speeding bullet at a speed of 320 kilometers per hour? Well, that's exactly what India's bullet train project aims to achieve. This bullet train is designed to cover a distance of 508.17 kilometers, which makes it a future-forward project to revolutionize how people commute between Maharashtra and Gujarat. Now, talking about the cost, can you guess how much this project is estimated to cost? It's around $15 billion. That's a massive investment, isn't it? But did you know that the project is mostly funded by a $17 billion loan from Japan? I guess you didn't. Check this information for the upcoming bullet train in India. This high-speed rail is designed to connect the two major cities seamlessly through 12 strategically placed stations. Envision yourself being one of the 17,900 passengers daily, experiencing the thrill of traveling up to 320 kilometers per hour. That's faster than any car on the freeway. The luxury doesn't end with speed. The bullet train offers 3 tiers of service: standard, business, and grand. Whether looking for a cost-effective ride or a lavish journey, you can choose between a leisurely 2-hour 58-minute trip or a super-quick 2-hour 7-minute sprint between these bustling metros. But there's more. Managed by the National High-Speed Rail Corporation Limited, NHSRCL, and supported by a substantial 50-year loan from Japan, the construction includes some awe-inspiring engineering feats. Most of the route will soar on an elevated viaduct, about 10 to 15 meters above the ground. Yet in Mumbai, the train will burrow beneath the earth, carved out by 3 giant tunnel boring machines. And get this, the track will even take a daring dip underwater through Thane Creek for about 2 kilometers. Progress is on track, with significant milestones like the completion of the Vadodara Training Center and ongoing construction at the Sabarmati HSR Terminal Station. The foundation work began in February 2021 and is another step towards making this dream a reality. Scheduled to start operations in 2026, the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train isn't just a mode of transport, it's a symbol of technological prowess and international collaboration poised to set a new standard in rail travel. 2. Navi Mumbai International Airport, NMIA. Navi Mumbai International Airport, also known as D.B. Patil International Airport, is not just an airport, it's a beacon of modern aviation and an architectural marvel. Under the keen oversight of the City and Industrial Development Corporation, CIDCO, and with a blueprint penned by Jacobs Engineering Group, this airport is a testimony to cutting-edge design and strategic planning. The operation baton is held by a joint venture between Adani Airports Holdings Limited and CIDCO, operating under the vibrant banner of Navi Mumbai International Airport Limited, NMIAL. With an investment of approximately $200 billion, every detail of this initiative spells grandeur. Spread over 1,160 hectares, the construction kicked off in August 2021 and is on a fast track to completion by 2025. Imagine an airport that not only serves your travel needs, but shines with its expansive tarmac area of 720,000 square feet and a terminal space of 180,000 square feet, ensuring a seamless flow of both passengers and planes. The airport is being built in 3 phases. The first phase, expected to be ready by March 2025, will be able to handle 25 million passengers per annum. By the final phase in 2032, the airport will be able to handle more than 90 million passengers and 2.5 million tons of cargo per annum. Isn't that impressive? Each terminal is a sight to behold, with design elements inspired by the elegance of lotuses and equipped with modern amenities like sprawling food courts, luxury lounges, and smooth travelators. For the budget-savvy traveler, an exclusive low-cost airline terminal will handle up to 2 million passengers annually, making luxury travel more accessible. And let's not forget the cargo sector. The airport will house a 360,000 square foot domestic freight terminal alongside a 255,000 square foot international cargo terminal, boosting both local and international trade. 3. Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link, MTHL. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to cross the sea in just 15 to 20 minutes? Let's talk about the Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link, MTHL. Stretching 21.8 kilometers across the sea, it is set to become India's longest sea bridge. But did you know that this architectural giant is not just a bridge? It's a lifeline that connects Sevri in Mumbai to Nhava Sheva in Raigad district. Imagine being able to travel from one city to another in just 15 to 20 minutes, a journey that once took 2 hours. Isn't that incredible? But the MTHL isn't just about saving time. The link is strategically located to enhance connections between Navi Mumbai International Airport, the Mumbai-Pune Expressway, JNPT Port, and the Mumbai-Goa Highway. Plus, there's a planned connection to Mumbai's coastal road through the Sevri-Worli Elevated Connector project, enhancing access and easing commutes. Here's where high-tech meets high-speed. The MTHL is pioneering India's first open-road tolling ORT system. This means vehicles can zoom through toll points at up to 100 km/h without ever hitting the brakes. With 6 expansive lanes, this bridge features 16.50 kilometers over the cerulean waves of the sea and 5.50 kilometers on land, showcasing engineering at its peak. Costing around $200 million, the MTHL will boost the economy by streamlining the supply chain and improving the movement of raw materials and goods. It will become a key route for about 70,000 vehicles each day. 4. Dholera Smart City. Imagine living in a city that's not just a city, but a vision of the future. Have you heard of Dholera Smart City? It's one of India's biggest urban projects. As we look towards 2050, 70% of the world's population is projected to live in urban areas. While some cities are already straining under their current population influx, smart cities have emerged as a beacon of hope for sustainable urban management. Its strategic location on the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, DMIC, and close to the Dedicated Freight Corridor, DFC, opens up vast opportunities in sectors like defense, aviation, electronics, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and heavy engineering. But what makes Dholera stand out from other cities? The Dholera Special Investment Region, SIR, is a carefully planned area spanning 920 square kilometers, with 567.39 square kilometers dedicated to urban development. This ambitious project consists of residential sectors, commercial quarters, and specialized zones for finance, manufacturing, processing, and recreation, weaving together 22 villages under its umbrella. Can you imagine the level of planning and coordination required to achieve this? This year marked a significant milestone in Dholera's journey, as it secured a substantial investment of approximately USD 1.2 million from major players like Hindustan Construction Company, HCC, Shabir Bhatia, and MS Universal Success Group. This injection of funds underscores the city's immense economic potential. But what does this mean for the city's future? At the heart of Dholera's ideology is a commitment to sustainability. This city is paving the way for environmental stewardship through the use of renewable energy, with expansive solar and wind projects and rigorous waste management and water conservation systems. The cityscape is dotted with green spaces and is supported by sustainable transport solutions, showcasing Dholera's dedication to eco-friendly urban living. How does Dholera plan to sustain this in the long run? Moving away from fossil fuels, Dholera is embracing the sun's energy with a 5,000 megawatt solar plant, a significant portion of which is already operational. This bold step is part of the city's broader goal to rely entirely on renewable energy by 2030. Moreover, Dholera is on the brink of becoming a thriving educational and research hub. But what does this mean for the residents of Dholera? Transport-wise, Dholera is exceptionally well equipped. It boasts excellent air, road, rail, and sea connections. The construction of a 4-lane expressway is underway, and there are plans for high-speed train services, which will further knit the city more tightly into the national fabric. Adding to the excitement, the much-anticipated Dholera International Airport is slated to commence operations by December 2025, promising to elevate Dholera's status on both the national and international stages. 5. Supernova Spira. Talking about what the Supernova Spira megaproject is, it is not just any skyscraper. It's a marvel of modern engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. Rising way above the ground and overlooking the serene Yamuna River, this 80 stories marvel is a landmark not only for the ones that reside in it, but also for the ones that look up to it. Sector 94 in Noida is home to the renowned mixed-use complex known as Supertech Supernova, which has the Supernova Spira as one of its key elements. One of the most well-known real estate developers in India, Supertech is currently working on the development of this project. On a grand 17.5 acres of land, including a tremendous 6,415,320 square feet of built area, sits Supernova, surrounded by its companions Nova West, Nova East, Astralis, Aurora, and Radiance. Supernova Spira building got underway in 2012. The current architectural ideas have been subtly used in the creation of this architectural wonder. The project is to produce a famous landmark in the city that will be remembered by the next generations. When finished, Supernova Spira would be the highest building in Noida, rising at a height of 300 meters and including 80 stories. The property offers modern amenities and services in both residential and business areas. Supernova Spira is up to the 74th story of development as of July 2020. Midway in 2025 is when it is anticipated to be finished. With an investment of approximately $19 million, the final touches are now being added to Supernova as it prepares to transform urban living. 6. The Chenab Bridge. Have you ever stood in the shadow of a giant? If not, let me take you on a journey to the majestic Himalayas in Indian-administered Kashmir. Here stands a marvel of human creativity and determination, the Chenab Bridge. Can you believe it's 35 meters taller than the iconic Eiffel Tower? Yes, you heard it right, standing at a staggering 359 meters above the riverbed. It's the world's highest railway bridge. Now, you might be wondering, what does it take to build such a colossal structure? Constructed at a cost of $168 million, the Chenab Bridge spans an impressive 1,315 meters in length. It's a story of engineering excellence, made from 28,000 tons of steel. But why steel, you ask? Well, it's designed to withstand the intense earthquakes of the Himalayas. The terrain here is formidable, with frequent landslides and extreme weather conditions. Yet, against all odds, the Chenab Bridge stands resilient. It's part of a 119-kilometer-long railway project, a network of 38 tunnels and 931 bridges, stretching a combined length of 13 kilometers through rugged landscapes. Building this bridge was nothing short of an epic journey. Imagine this. Engineers first had to create a 26-kilometer access road and a 400-meter tunnel just to reach the construction site. The bridge features 17 spans, with the main arch stretching a record 467 meters, the longest of its type. Can you picture the precision required to ensure the ends matched perfectly? One key achievement in August 2022 was the golden joint of the deck, where a 785-meter-long deck was carefully extended from both sides to join over the arch. Can you visualize the detailed engineering work involved? Built to withstand wind speeds up to 266 kilometers per hour and severe earthquakes, the Chenab Bridge is designed for 100 km/h train speeds and is expected to last 120 years. So what incredible projects might the next decade bring? And how will these developments continue to transform the way we think about infrastructure and innovation around the world? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below.